Just a short walk to waterfront enjoyment and well situated on a prime corner lot within the Bay Ridges community of South Pickering. Welcome to 833 Zator Avenue. This 3-level brick backsplit has an extra long driveway with carport, exceptional frontage, and a large fenced backyard with a storage shed, as well as beautifully updated interior living spaces, beginning with the open concept main level. Naturally bright and freshly painted, this stunningly combined entertaining space showcases a renovated kitchen with modern cabinetry, quartz counters, a porcelain tiled backsplash, stainless steel stove, range hood, fridge, and dishwasher, as well as a center island with breakfast bar and stainless steel double undermount sink. Highlighting the dining area is a boldly colored accent wall, while its modern chandelier gives it an aura of intimacy. And the graciously sized living area offers plenty of room for conversation, mingling, or quiet family moments. Finishing touches throughout these spaces are pot lighting, crown moldings, and beautiful wide plank wooden floors. The upper level features a completely updated 4-piece washroom, finished with a porcelain tiled floor and bath area, as well as a vanity with quartz counter and undermount basin. And this level also features 3 spacious bedrooms, including a master bedroom with his and her closets, and all are finished with updated wide plank wooden floors. All the windows throughout the home are new, with their sizes allowing for abundant natural lighting. And every room is accentuated with new crisp white baseboards and trims. Off the kitchen is a walkout onto a large concrete patio area in the side yard, where entertaining can be extended to the outdoors during the warm weather months, and which also has a 3-season solarium ideal for gardening enthusiasts or for insect-free evening enjoyment. Maintaining the open concept design of the main level is a glass railing by the hardwood stairs leading to the lower level. Featuring a mechanical and storage room combined with a laundry area, this level also showcases a beautifully updated 3-piece washroom with a space-saving vanity, as well as a tiled shower area with mosaic accent design and glass door. The remainder of the level is a spacious open-concept recreation area finished with wide plank wooden flooring, pot lighting, and an accent wall with wood-burning fireplace. This home is walking distance to schools, public transit, as well as the vibrant Frenchman's Bay community. The Pickering GO station and Pickering Town Centre are short drives away, and there is also quick access to Highway 401.